to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hasan Coding Hub. This is Hasan. I am going to teach you what are the data types in C. There are four different data types. They are basic data type, derived data type, enumerated data type and void data type. And the first one is basic data type. Second one is derived data type. And the third one is enumerated data type, and the last one is void data type. In basic data type, again it is classified into four types. They are basic data type, and the first one is integer data type, float data type. Third one is character data type, and the fourth one is double. So in integer we can store only non-fractional numerical values. Again, the integer is classified into two types, signed and unsigned. In signed data type, we can store both positive and negative values, but in unsigned data type, we can store only signed positive values. So, in integer, how much the memory will be allocated in each variable? Integer variable can allocate memory only for 2 bytes. It means 16 bits. Basically 1 byte carries 16 bits, 8 bits, and 2 bytes carries 16 bits. And its format specifier is %d. We use format specifier as %d. It can store the values. For example, int a. In int a, we can store only positive values or negative values in signed integers, but in unsigned we can store only positive values. This is an unsigned integer, and the character data type is used for storing names. We use as char. Character carries only 1 byte, it means 8 bytes. It can store only character values like alphabets and special symbols. Any value assigned to a character variable must be in single quotation. It means it should be in only single quotation. We use for this format specifier is %c. Only 1 byte will be allocated for this. It means 8 bits. And the other one is float. Float can store only fractional and decimal values. Float also is an keyword, we can say as variable, etc. and the format specifier for this is %f. Because we store decimal values, we take as float, and the double. For this, memory will be allocated as 4 bits. 4 bytes will be allocated. 4 bits will be allocated. It means 32 bits. 4 into 8 bits carries 32 bits. And last but not least, double. It doubles the float value. It doubles the float values. Like it can store, float can store up to 32 bits, but double can store up to 64 bits. That's the difference between float and double. And there is another one, derived data types. In these data types, we use arrays, pointers, structures, and etc. 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 And we will continue the class as derived data types and enumerated data type and void data type in another class. First, we should learn basic data types because we are learning now basics. So we'll meet in next class as derived data types in next class. Thank you for your support and dedication. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.